Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep sir, and in this video you will get all the question and answers of the lesson Charlie and the Chocolate Factory from your English Literature reader book. So let's start. Question 1. What does Charlie get every year on his birthday? Answer. Charlie gets a chocolate bar every year on his birthday. Question 2. How many children were allowed to enter the factory? Answer. 5 children were allowed to enter the factory. Question 3. Who accompanied Charlie to the factory? Answer. Charlie's grandpa, Joe, accompanied Charlie to the factory. Question 4. What happens to Augustus in the chocolate room? Answer. Augustus fell into the chocolate river where the current pulled him in a series. I'll repeat the answer one more time. Augustus fell into the chocolate river where the current pulled him through a series of glass pipes. Question 5. Who are the Oompa Loompas? Answer. Oompa Loompas are doll-sized human beings who work for Willy Wonka. Question 6. What does Charlie win by being the only child to Mr. Wonka's 2? Answer. Charlie wins the chocolate factory, which he would run when he would reach his adulthood. Mr. Wonka would also teach him the secrets of the business. Now let's move on to the reference to the context question. I'll start with the first one. Question A. Why did Charlie purchase chocolate bars? Answer. Charlie purchased chocolate bars to get the golden ticket. Question 1B. Did he get what he wanted? Answer. Yes, he got what he wanted. Question 1C. How many family members could accompany the golden ticket winner? Answer. 1 or 2 family members could accompany the golden ticket winner. Let's move on to the second reference to the context question. Question 2A. Whom does he refer to? Answer. He refers to Willy Wonka. Question 2B. Why was Charlie chosen for the job? Answer. Charlie was chosen for the job because Willy Wonka was pleased with his behavior. Question 2C. Would he also teach Charlie the secrets of the business? Answer. Yes, he would also teach Charlie the secrets of the business. So this is it, children. These are all the question and answers that you need to write in your copies. Don't forget to write it neatly, and you must draw margins after every answer. Thank you.